This is one of our factory warehouses, next to the open space. In our plan we will continue to expand the warehouse. Around the warehouse, there are lots of casting machine frames. We will continue keep the casting frames for a few years. Make casting frames fully oxidized. Frames and parts have toughness and strength after oxidized and timing. We take the oxidized parts to the workshop for polishing. Take to paint workshop for preliminary painting. Use best paint material from the USA. Environmental protection equipment installed in our painting workshop. After spraying the paint, the machine paint surface is smooth with reflection like a mirror. We have a complete parts library. Cylinder processing. Then proceed to assemble the machine. Enter the debugging stage to ensure that it will be working good in the hands of customers. Packed in export wooden box. This is our packaging repository. Every day there are machines sent to different countries. Please believe in our strength. Provide you with the best service.